Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Newport Home by Samantha Eisen Interiors. On a lush avenue overlooking Sydney's Newport Beach sits a home by Samantha Eisen Interiors that echoes its bright and breezy locale. Newport Home is inspired by its coastal surroundings and reflects the boathouses, sailing boats, and tranquil waterways that enliven the shoreline. In a bid to give the original architecture a coastal aesthetic, founder and principal Samantha Eisen drew inspiration from the beachside, using micro cement and stone to lend tone and texture to the once pared-back interior.